It's always go time when it's time to go.
Do not complain about what you didn't get from the work you didn't put in. You ain't ready to put 5 years of grind into anything without making a quarter.
Right.
Don't even start. Sometimes it takes that long to get over the hump. It's really about having that mentality that you ready to work. The reward come when you get down and you get on your grind. Do not complain about what you didn't get from the work you didn't put in.
It's always go time when it's time to go. And sometimes when you get yourself ready, everything ain't perfect. And when everything ain't perfect, you're wondering, how do I make it work? I need things to be in great condition and ideal conditions. But at times, things aren't that. So you just gotta press record and go. But the history doesn't wait for conditions to be perfect. Even enemies of war don't wait for the ideal, perfect condition to attack their enemies. They wait for when the iron is hot. And at times, the iron is hot, not in the most ideal situation. And sometimes, you just gotta make do. You just gotta make a way. You gotta think of, I gotta be civilized for this. I gotta look pristine. I can't even operate as a mesh. JGE, just good enough. That can get you far in life. Execution trumps perfection and excellence any day of the week. It's in the strive of excellence can you achieve perfection. But yet perfection is a fine line. It's a weird line. But it's a weird line in time. So what are you striving for? Excellence or perfection?